Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. I got a 2023 Chevy Traverse. Look at this, isn't it nice? Like a gray silver in color, alloy wheels. You got privacy glass all the way around the back of it. Nice cladding on the bottom. LT package. Power liftgate. Remote start. Keyless entry, keyless start. Good room back here. You want more room, you can put one of the seats down one at a time if you don't need that third row. All-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check. It's all set up, ready to go. Let's check out the inside. Nice quad seats, nice and clean. Rear heat and air controls, USB plug-ins. Nice sleek dash line, great room in here too. AM, FM, satellite, media, and Android Auto, Apple Play, dual automatic climate control, heated seats, auto shift, cup holders, terrain select, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, adaptable cruise control, blind spot monitor, power windows, door locks, mirrors, analog gauges. Nice car. Missing something though. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.